What if we could visit the past? A journey through time. Imagine stepping into a time machine, dialing the exact date of your choice, and emerging in the era of dinosaurs, ancient Rome, or even the roaring 1920s. The very thought sends shivers down your spine, doesn't it? The idea of traveling to the past has captivated humanity for centuries, inspiring countless stories, movies, and theories. But what if it were possible? What would it mean for science, history, and the very fabric of our existence? Buckle up as we unravel the fascinating science and mind-bending paradoxes of visiting the past. The science of time travel. Can we reverse the clock? Time, as we know it, is one of the universe's greatest mysteries. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the idea that time is not absolute. It can bend, stretch, and even reverse under certain conditions. 1. Time as a dimension. Time is often referred to as the fourth dimension, alongside the three spatial dimensions. 1. If we could navigate the first three dimensions with ease, why not the fourth? 2. Wormholes. These theoretical tunnels through spacetime might provide shortcuts between different points in the universe, and potentially different points in time. 3. Closed time-like curves, CTCs. Some physicists, like Kurt Gödel, propose solutions to Einstein's equations that could allow for loops in time, theoretically making past travel possible. While these ideas are tantalizing, the technological barriers are astronomical. Creating or stabilizing a wormhole, for instance, would require exotic matter with negative energy, a substance we've yet to observe in the lab. What happens if you change the past? The paradox is, if you could visit the past, one question looms large: can you change it? This question is more than philosophical, it's scientific. Let's dive into some of the most famous paradoxes. 1. The grandfather paradox. If you traveled back and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you cease to exist? 1. And if you never existed, how could you have traveled back in the first place? 2. The bootstrap paradox. Imagine going back in time and giving Shakespeare the script for Hamlet. 2. If Shakespeare never wrote it, who did? 3. The butterfly effect, popularized by chaos theory. This concept suggests that even the smallest changes in the past could lead to catastrophic changes in the future. 3. One misplaced step could ripple across time, altering history as we know it. To resolve these paradoxes, scientists suggest two intriguing theories. The multiverse hypothesis. Changing the past creates a new, parallel timeline rather than altering your original one. Self-consistency principle. Events in the past are fixed and cannot be changed, ensuring that any actions you take in the past were always part of history. What would it mean for humanity? Time travel to the past could revolutionize our understanding of history, medicine, and technology, but it could also introduce unprecedented risks. 1. Rewriting history. Imagine witnessing the signing of the Declaration of Independence or the fall of the Berlin Wall. 1. Such first-hand knowledge could enrich history, but tampering with these events could unravel the fabric of our present. 2. Ethical dilemmas. Would it be moral to intervene in past atrocities? 2. Or would doing so jeopardize the future? 2. These questions could spark fierce debates among scientists, historians, and ethicists. 3. Cultural tourism. On a lighter note, time travel could open doors to eras we've only read about in books or seen in museums, creating a new kind of tourism industry. Could we ever achieve it? Despite the challenges, scientists are exploring ideas that might one day make time travel possible. 1. Quantum mechanics. The strange rules of the quantum world suggest that particles can exist in multiple states at once, hinting at the possibility of timelines converging or splitting. 2. Black holes and relativity. The intense gravitational pull of black holes could warp spacetime to such an extent that travel into the past might be feasible, if we could survive the journey. 3. Emerging theories. Cutting-edge research into quantum gravity and string theory may provide insights into whether time travel is a pipe dream or a distant possibility. The risks and rewards. The prospect of time travel is as dangerous as it is exciting. Aside from the physical challenges, radiation, paradoxes, and the unknown effects on the body, there's the philosophical question: should we tamper with the past? History is our greatest teacher, but visiting it could turn us from students into disruptive agents. While the dream of visiting the past remains in the realm of science fiction, it's a powerful thought experiment that pushes the boundaries of science and imagination. Could we one day stand beside Newton as he discovers gravity or warn civilizations about impending disasters? Or is the past a sacred, untouchable realm? For now, the past remains a mystery we can only study from afar. But as science advances, who knows? The ticking clock of time might one day become a doorway, a portal to explore the wonders of what once was. Until then, keep dreaming and keep asking, what if?